I'm an artist, and this is my art. No, I am not an artist, and that was not my art. I'm a photographer, and that is my work. Big difference. Humility is a very important factor in the success of any creative individual. So, for instance, I'm a photographer. She's a painter. He's a sculptor. She's a model. Whatever, I mean, it doesn't matter. And of course, the work we do is our work. It's not a piece of art, as some people like to call it. I wouldn't come out and say, oh, I'm an artist. Well, maybe I am an artist. Maybe I do create art. But it's not my place to come out and say, oh, I am an artist. Oh, and this is my art. It's for the community to decide. When the community comes out and says, okay, well, Zaki is an artist, then I'll endorse it. If they say, oh, look at his art, I'll endorse it. I'll appreciate it. It gives me the kind of like the sense of satisfaction that, okay, well, I've evolved from being just a photographer to becoming an artist. But me coming out of nowhere after a couple of months or weeks of shooting random stuff and saying, oh, I am an artist and this is my vision and this is my artistry. No, that is not my place and not your place either. Okay, rant over. Hope there was value to you from this message and that the message went through. I have nothing against individuals who boast about their work, but again, humility is far more important in my opinion. Have a good day and cheers.